This one hidden system decides whether your application survives or crashes in seconds. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful yet invisible components behind modern applications, the Azure Load Balancer. Yes, you heard it right. Have you ever wondered how apps handle millions of users without crashing, especially during peak traffic? In this video, we'll break down what a load balancer is, how it actually works behind the scenes, and why it's different from other services like Azure Application Gateway and Azure Front Door. We'll also look at a real-world example to make it super easy to understand, plus key use cases and why this concept is critical not just for cloud engineers but for anyone preparing for exams, interviews, or building scalable apps. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how systems stay fast, reliable, and crash-proof, and why mastering this topic is essential in today's cloud-driven world. We'll understand this more with one example. Imagine you're running a popular app, and suddenly thousands of users log in through internet at the same time. Now what will happen? Your server will crashes due to the heavy load. That's where Azure Load Balancer comes in. What is Azure Load Balancer and how it works? Azure Load Balancer is a service that distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers. Instead of one server handling everything, the load balancer spreads requests so no single machine gets overloaded. It also checks which servers are healthy and only sends traffic to the ones that are working. As you all know, Azure Load Balancer works at layer 4, which means it only looks at the IP address and port number. So it doesn't care about the content like websites or URL. Because of this, it's super fast, work on low latency, and highly scalable. It uses rules defined by its expert and health probes to decide where traffic should go. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a food delivery app during dinner time. Thousands of users are placing orders at once. If only one server handled everything, it would crash. But with Azure Load Balancer, all incoming requests are split across multiple servers. If one server fails, traffic goes to others. And the beauty is, users never notice any issue. In the end, it results smooth experience, no downtime, and happy customers. And we can say that, behind every fast, reliable app is something you never see, is a load balancer. So what makes Azure Load Balancer different? A. It processes requests fast since it works at layer 4. 2. It's not a hardware device and fully cloud-based solution which is scalable. 3. And it's different from Application Gateway that handles web traffic or URLs and Front Door that handles global routing. Let me put some light on Microsoft statistics. As per data available on internet, 99.99% availability for standard load balancer. Azure infrastructure handles millions of requests across services. Azure uses AI and ML-based load prediction systems to optimize traffic and resource allocation. Designed for ultra-low latency and high throughput at global scale, for cross-region load balancing capability. Azure Load Balancer plays a critical role in keeping modern applications fast, reliable, and always available by efficiently distributing traffic across multiple servers. One of its primary use cases is in high-traffic web applications, where it prevents overload by spreading user requests across several virtual machines, ensuring smooth performance even during peak times. It is also widely used in gaming and real-time applications, where low latency and fast response are essential, as it handles TCP and UDP traffic with high efficiency. In microservices architectures, it helps balance requests between different services running in containers or virtual machines, enabling seamless scaling and better resource utilization. Additionally, organizations use it for internal enterprise systems through private load balancing, ensuring secure and efficient communication within a network. Another important use case is disaster recovery and high availability, where it automatically redirects traffic to healthy servers or regions if a failure occurs, minimizing downtime. Overall, the Azure Load Balancer is essential for building scalable, resilient applications that can handle real-world demand without performance issues. So to sum it up, Azure Load Balancer keeps your applications running smoothly by distributing traffic efficiently. If your goal is performance and reliability, this is the service you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cloud concepts explained simply.